Morning team, it's Tuesday, January 24. My snow week holiday transformed in 2 weeks because the snow was amazing, and I just got back home yesterday, so we are back where we belong, Euro USD. Uh, After my two epic losses, took trying to trade H1, I think it's time to go back where we belong. So on low time frame with item frame biases that help me filter bullshits. Actually, I know exactly what I fucked up in my two losses, but maybe I'm gonna discuss later. Anyway, let's have a look, a roundup. Monthly right now is extremely bullish. As we said, this fair value gap has been kind of tagged and it's pushing hard. To be honest, I don't see anything that can stop this thing right now. I mean, is here like little fair value gap? I don't know if it's enough. I mean, it's easy. Can be an easy target. This one, yeah. So monthly is up. Weekly, not even talking about. From my last analysis, this liquidity has been taken and actually closed well above. So I said that this rejection supposed to give some reaction, and actually it gave some reaction in this week. If you this is kind of a reaction to me. Try to push it down, failed, keep going up. Right now I don't see any reason why we should go lower on a weekly level. Yeah, there is this is untested bullish on the block now. That would be lovely to keep going higher, and this fair value gap. But yeah, we can still go in higher, maybe here, come back down and keep going, you know. Anyway, daily, yesterday closed as a raid, but there is nothing bullish yet, nothing. I wanted to short H1 when I saw this kind of distribution. I got played because in the end daily structure was still up, and I tried to short H1 because I was in holiday, couldn't check the chart too much, and I didn't realize that daily was still up, and I just based my analysis on hourly, which is what I do when I trade low time frame. But if you trade hourly, you should base your analysis on high time frame, so daily. Anyway, I don't see anything bearish right now. H12, same. This is a bullish close. Yesterday, they left the opening up, quickly rebalance, and now it's going up again. Honestly, nothing bearish here, nothing to my eyes. We just bounced over this bullish of the block and kept going. I see this rejection, which is nice. If we ever come down as a possible bouncing area, but can easily keep going up. H4, same thing. Rebalanced, pushing higher. Never shifted bearish H4. Never. That's where my mistake relies. I keep doing higher high and higher lows, you know. It's literally, there's nothing bearish here. And yet I try to short twice. Anyway. This thing can easily keep going up like P time. Yeah. Then let's have a look to H1. Right now we are approaching a bearish order block. The one that rejected yesterday actually is a little bit as a high resistance liquidity run because the price spends sometimes here. And I'm aware of this Asia. Actually, it's not Asia. This is yesterday lows. Okay. There is liquidity in Asia lows and liquidity in New York session lows. Yeah, this liquidity is a little bit scummy, to be honest. Doesn't look too nice. But there is something that I'm looking at, which is a chart curving up. And when I see this, I get extremely bullish myself. When I see this type of behavior, I know that euro is kind of accumulating and they're gonna push it. So I don't feel like shorting anything right now myself. Actually, I would love to long this thing. Let's have a look to low time frame. Yeah, same thing. There are these eyes here that are really, really, really suspicious. They're gonna go soon. Okay. They are from April 2022. Are still too clean. And yeah, the flow is technically super up right now. Yet I don't feel comfortable to long blindly at the first touch of resistance myself. Let me see. Yeah, these lows are really, really bad. But there is nothing untested here below, no? Well, maybe. This is not really tested. Actually, it's a okay, now I see. This is where I got stopped, basically. This is a failed H1 that held the price. Okay. This H1 raid, basically, and H1 BMS. I call it failed because it actually failed, no? To become bearish. So this failed H1 raid, H1 BMS, or H4 raid, H1 BMS, held the price yesterday when retested. And now it's pushing. Yes, again, I don't feel comfortable to long here blindly in full resistance at the first touch. But if I see some pullback or something bullish, I'm going to look for longs myself. Wow. Wait a second. Okay. Actually, there is an M5 raid. But it touched the origin already. Yes, I'm gonna reevaluate in a while. I just got back from more than 10 days of pause. I don't want to rush myself in price. I already took 2 losses while gambling basically in holiday, and I feel stupid because of that. So it's time for me to reassess and take it slowly. Anyway, that's enough for me today. As I said, I'm bullish. I think this high is gonna go, and we're gonna go late to 0.94 to take those daily liquidity. But I want a clean long myself, okay? I speak to you soon, tomorrow. Bye.